welcome to Driving Ottawa. It's a beautiful sunny day and I'm back with a new episode looking at the Ottawa Hospital Loop and Ring Road. Thanks to each and every one of you for helping the channel hit over 600 subscribers. Here's to 700. The Smyth Road Ottawa Hospital campus opened in and around the 1980s. The general campus serves nearly 600 beds, while the Children's Hospital of Eastern Ontario supports just shy of 200. The entire complex is very accessible by transit via Route 45, a dedicated hospital-bound rapid route that operates 24/7. Shout out to number 8116 for the wave. Route 55, a local-bound bus, also serves the general campus and CHEO for additional services to the complex. Route 61 ran up and down Smyth Road in the 80s and was the first route to provide access to the complex. This was later replaced by Route 85 in the 2000s. Route 110 was eventually established as the main hospital route, offering service from Billings Bridge to the General. This route was later abandoned due to low ridership. Today, Route 45 offers service at roughly 30-minute intervals. Here we have Route 55 Westgate arriving at CHEO. The stop is located at the main entrance as opposed to the emergency department. Route 55 is an interesting route that will continue up Main, down Catherine, then Carling to arrive at Westgate Shopping Centre. While traveling down Carling, Route 55 also provides service to the Civic Campus and the Ottawa Heart Institute, making it pretty much a hospital-bound local route. Route 55 Elmville is seen here entering the complex, arriving at its first stop, CHEO, before heading towards the general campus. Interestingly, Route 45 does not have a terminal stop but will rather use Ring Road and the hospital complex to make its loop back to Herdman. Route 45 Hospital will change its signboard to Herdman before reaching the Rehabilitation Center, Guindon, which is the beginning of the loop. The U Ottawa Med School is located here. I'm surprised that a ticket kiosk machine is nowhere to be found on the hospital complex, as I did go searching for one. Parking is about $10 an hour on the premises. Hospital Link Road provides a quick 10-minute transfer from Herdman to the hospital complex. This 1.2-kilometer corridor was built at a cost of around $55 million. Many local residents were opposed to this project due to the cost and environmental impact. The roadway encroaches through a large bat conservation area, as reported by the NCC. Ontario Northland bus services also makes a stop at the general campus. Well, that's all the time we have for today. I hope you found that entertaining. It was fun making the loop around the hospital and checking out the stops. Take care, transit friends, and I'll see you on the next one.
Doors closing.